Facebook business page not showing up in search? 2026 guide. Is your Facebook business page not showing in search? Let's fix it fast. First, open your Facebook app and go to your page. Step 1. Set page to public. Go to Settings, Privacy. Make sure your page visibility is set to public. If it's not public, no one can find it. Step 2. Complete page info. Tap Edit Page Info and fill everything. Page name, category, description, website or contact details. Complete pages rank higher in search. Step 3. Stay active. Post regularly and get engagement. Facebook favors pages that are active and trusted. Step 4. Wait for indexing. If your page is new, it can take 24 hours or even a few days to appear in search. Step 5. Check from another account. Search your page from another account or incognito mode. This gives you a real result. Pro tip: pages with reviews, consistent posts, and full details show up faster in search. And that's it. Now you know how to fix your Facebook business page not showing in search. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.